Now that the rains have started, we all need to be very careful. People are joking with their life. Look at this guy. The rainy seasons in Ghana have been a disastrous one. Looking at what is happening in the country, all across the country, and people's properties are being destroyed. It's about time our leaders take drastic measures to make sure that this thing does not occur. Those who are having their houses on the waterways, what are we doing about it? These choke gutters that keep on increasing every day, floods in the city, especially Accra, it is getting out of hand. So our leaders must stand up and make sure that these things do not keep on happening. So look at someone's room and what is happening there. This is in Accra, and you can see that the whole place is flooded. Yeah, so there is a pillar to the same village. Look at it. Covered the whole building, Timothy area, all those places. Look at it, buildings on waterways, all those buildings, that's what we do. So it is not a good that we should be looking at some of these things that we saying different things. So the government must take drastic measures and make sure that these things are not what happening again. So when you look at this one, look at all these places. Look at all these places. It's very serious. So please, you should all join in hand. If you see someone throwing rubbish into gutters or whatever, you should be able to tell the person that this is not the right thing to do. And as we do that, I think we will move forward as a country. It's a serious thing that keep on happening every year. But we pretend as if it is nothing. But every year it happens and people die, property destroyed and all that. So we should be able to take all these things into consideration so that it will not happen again. And those of you that you are risking your life for such incident, look at a motorbike. What will this thing do for you? So you should be able to put your life first. Put your life first. So you look at this motor rider. The road is full of water and you want to move.
Bro, go walk. Nobody's coming to help you, not even me. I know go walk out this sharp road. I know go this road come back. I know they can't help you. Did you help me? Are you my helper? Are you my helper? Like all these people that miss Smith.